Welcome to Cindy's Artistic World. You're in my realm of food, and boy, I was in the kitchen and it felt good. For $18 worth of ingredients, I made 3 dozen lemon cookies, lemon curd on shortbread, loaf of bread, corned beef and sauerkraut, and it was a great day in the kitchen. Everything seemed to come out just wonderfully as I experimented myself away. I am having a good day in the kitchen. I've made kind of a lemon bar. It's a deeper dish lemon bar on shortbread. I baked bread. That buzzer going off is because my lemon cookies, the first batch, should be ready to pull out. I'm going to go check those. I have the next batch and the next batch ready. I have corned beef cooking in here. And we're going to have fresh bread, corned beef, and kraut sandwiches. Ooh, of course, I didn't make my kraut, but I'm still having a good day in the kitchen. Buzz, buzz. So this lemon bar slash kind of recipe turned out really good. I'm really happy with it, but it did take a lot of eggs. And that was a big expense. It almost cost as much as my corned beef today, but it turned out beautifully, and it's got so much zing. I really want to post that recipe for somebody next time. Anyway, the bread was good. The corned beef was fine. It was the cheaper cut, but it worked perfect for the sandwiches. It was really tender. And we had a great day and ate way too much. Anyway, I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe, and check out my other realms.